What is going on, Shib Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today, guys, we're going to talk about all things crypto, because right now the cryptocurrency market is taking a pretty strong and significant nosedive. As always, I like to preface by saying that I'm not a financial advisor, but rather I always try to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. And you might be wondering, where in the world were you the last couple days? Well, I was taking some time away from crypto. I saw the social media sentiments. I saw the overall media manipulation that we were seeing as the market started to take a little bit of a correction. It became worse and worse and worse. The dip that keeps dipping, as we've probably seen time and time again. But what I want to talk about is let's take a look back. Let's take a look back at what cryptocurrency has done over the last 1 year. So first and foremost, what we want to talk about is SHIBAINU's price action. And you guys can see here for the 1 year chart, we were consolidating for many months in 2021. I'm talking from May. It so happens that it seems like always, like copy paste. And again, guys, mind you, 1 year later, look how closely these things resembled. May 9th, 2021, we started seeing a significant correction in SHIB from its previous all-time high. And we can even move this graph just a little bit. If you even do an all-time chart, you could see its all-time high right around May 9th, it started tumbling down. And then we saw consolidation for many months, followed by a significant run-up. What's the difference between last time we saw a crash in SHIB and now? Same thing for Bitcoin. If we look at the all-time chart, but specifically the 1 year chart, honestly, we saw a really significant correction also 1 year ago, almost today, from $56,000 Bitcoin all the way down for over a 2-month period to $29,000. But following that 29.8K mark, we saw it start to rally and a significant spike right back up. There was a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt back then, right in the summer of 2021. So the question is there any difference between the last run and the current run? The bull case for cryptocurrency as a whole is much bigger than was previously seen in the markets. I understand that inflation is plaguing the market. I understand a recession right now is in the worries, so people are establishing cash positions, pulling crypto, pulling money out of speculative plays, pulling money out of even the stock market. We saw the NASDAQ take the biggest dive last month in April. The biggest dive that it has seen since the 2008 financial crisis, mind you. I made a separate video on that. But what we need to understand is the bull case for crypto is here. It is here. The overall use case, the utility for crypto, it's been growing, ever growing, especially for SHIB. You guys saw last week, places like Gucci, a luxury clothing and apparel store, is now accepting Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu for payment. You don't have to only use your US dollars or fiat. You can start using crypto to buy everyday goods. Similar different things on different websites. Now payments, we know about all the different utilities that are allowing us to use and utilize cryptocurrency as a payment method. But what we need to understand is, what did Vitalik say earlier in 2022? There was this article that was published, and I think a lot of people overlooked it, but I made a video on this specifically. Time magazine. Ethereum's co-founder has a warning for new crypto investors. Here's what's to consider before buying. And again, one of the things that you guys need to realize is he said, if you are basically in it right here, if you're one of those people looking to buy Bitcoin or other cryptos like Ethereum or Shiba Inu to get rich quick, think again. Cryptocurrency is much riskier than conventional investments because of its unpredictability and volatility. And we say it so many times. If you're not here for this volatility, right? Over just between January 2021 and now, look how many times, and this is looking at Bitcoin, the mother of all, just pure BTC. Look at this. Up and down and up and down and up and down. It's just part of the cycles that we see time and time again. Do I think Bitcoin might go to 29,000 like it did last time? It's possible. Do I think Shiba Inu is going to drop to where it was at previous lows after the run-up in May? Probably not. But did we break support from the last year? Absolutely. Since October, we never fell below a 20,000 Satoshi unit Shiba Inu. But now we officially have. Are we in a bear market? Possibly. Is the market going to someday rebound in the future? Absolutely. But remember, a lot of smart money has not entered crypto because things were overvalued. Things were overpriced. Smart investors have been keeping their cash positions and standing on the sideline. And the thing with bear markets is they could last a week, they could last a month, they could last a year. But When the bull market is imminent and it begins, that's when you start to see a significant run up in all assets in the market, including crypto and stocks. So all I'm saying is this. You ultimately have to make the determination for yourself whether or not you want to buy, sell, or hold any asset in the market. 100% clear understanding, and I hope we can keep that mutual between all of us. But the most important thing is understanding, why did you invest in crypto? And if you've been selling for a loss, why are you selling for a loss? Are you scared? Are you not able to stomach volatility? And time again, if you're unable to stomach that volatility, it's best to stay away from this space. Because again, that's the people who are losing money. And make sure you understand and keep this in mind as you are selling for a loss. It's someone else who's buying your position for a gain. That's how it happens. We have a full dedicated video towards that zero-sum game. And unfortunately, that's how crypto is right now. But the bull case is much stronger than the bear case. But for right now, let the market correct. Let it do its thing. Take time away like I've been doing. Do what you got to do. Opportunities are going to present, sure. New contracts are also coming out each and every day. New opportunities, new positions, and hopefully I can showcase those as they come along. But at the same time, our favorite assets like Ethereum, Solana, Bitcoin, all of these other ones, look, everything is significantly down. Just go to CoinMarketCap. You can go through Bitcoin 33K, ETH $2,400. I never thought I'd see the day where Ethereum falls below 2,800 even again. But it's happening. BNB 350, Solana at $75. Crazy. I started buying up Solana when I saw it dip to 150. Mind you, now it's divide that by 2 again. Dollar cost averaging, definitely my way to go. Dogecoin, everything is taking a hit. It's obvious. We see it. Everything is red. But the question then becomes, which tokens are going to make it after this correction is complete? That's what you have to assess yourself. Which one of my tokens are not going to make it? And those are the ones I have to abort from. And then maybe potentially rotating that money into assets that you do believe will make it after everything is corrected and we see the bull run start again. But for right now, we're we're unofficially, potentially in a bear market. But understand, opportunities are presenting. This was pretty big news. It was something that we should have definitely highlighted, but May 5th it was announced. Italian high-end luxury fashion house Gucci is set to accept cryptocurrency in 5 stores in the United States later this month in May. The move comes after the company continues to explore Web3. And they were selective, right? They chose tokens and coins based off of, where's the social media presence? Where's the excitement? Bitcoin, they know about SHIBAINU and Doge, of course. Bitcoin is the mother of all. But the fact they're even accepting SHIB, understand what that means. They know where retail money is going. We are all part of the retail investor. And our story is still to be told because the retail investors have shocked the markets in 2021. And I think they're going to do the same thing here in 2022. So as always, guys, make sure you always do as much research as you possibly can in this space. That's not the screen I meant to turn. There we go. But again, make sure you do your research and always make sure you have a thesis and a plan set out because right now markets are tough, but I have no doubt in my mind that we're going to get through this and things are going to look a lot better. Whether it's in a week or in a month, I'll be here. So hopefully we can continue to have great conversations. I appreciate your support. Smash the like button, consider subscribing. And until next time, everybody, as always, keep investing. And hold on just a second. Before I head off, happy Mother's Day to every mother out there. Today's the official Mother's Day in the United States for about 26 more minutes. So again, happy Mother's Day to everybody. And mama, to you, if you're watching till the end, happy Mother's Day. Take care, everyone. Peace.